Welcome dear students. In today's video, we are going to learn about network architecture. Network architecture. We have already studied about the term network. That is, network is a group of devices connected with each other for sharing data and resources. Then, what is network architecture? Network architecture refers to the design of this network, that is, how the computers and other devices will be organized or connected and what kind of function each device will perform. The different types of network architecture that we are going to study are peer-to-peer architecture and client-server architecture. Client-server architecture. There are two terms here, client and server. Let us try to understand these terms with the help of an example. When you go to a restaurant and order something, you are the client, and the job of the restaurant people is to give you the service so they can be termed as the server. In this type of architecture, one or more client computers are connected to a central server over a network or internet connection. Here, the job of server is to host, deliver, and manage most of the resources. These services are consumed by the client. The client-server architecture works on the method of request and response. That is, client computer requests and server computer serves the request. For example, web server. We studied about web server in last video. The job of web server is to return the web page to the client that requested them. Peer-to-peer architecture. A peer-to-peer architecture network is one in which the devices are interconnected or peers and they share resources amongst each other without the use of a central server. In peer-to-peer architecture, every node is client and also a server. That is, each node has the same capabilities and responsibilities. As I said, you can see in the diagram, there is no central server in peer-to-peer architecture. Any node can request any other node and any node can respond to any other node. This is all about network architecture. Here is the third assignment for you all children. Draw diagrams for the given network architecture, client-server architecture and peer-to-peer architecture. You need to draw the diagram only. No explanation is needed. Thank you, and once again, happy learning to all of you.